Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to discuss about global greenhouse and ice house effect. These are the topic like hot cake. Nowadays people are very much aware about greenhouse effects. So what is greenhouse effects? You must understand. Let's see this video first. Let us imagine a house made up of glass. Daytime sunlight comes, and when at the night that heat cannot be escaped. Same thing happened in the earth because of that atmospheric cover. Daytime what happened? Sunlight comes, penetrate through atmosphere easily. Afterwards what happened? That heat, it is totally unable to get rid of the earth because of atmospheric blanket. What is the reason behind that? Atmosphere is having greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, water vapor, methane. So these gases, their size and that heat, any electromagnetic radiation is having certain energy and wavelength, no? So depending upon that, so heat, most of the heats are already absorbed in this atmospheric blanket. However, nowadays global warming is another issue. What is global warming? Because of our CFC, different type of gases, utilization of fossil fuels, gradually our Earth's temperature is rising. So that is called global warming. In this video, I am going to clarify about different aspects: global warming, greenhouse effects, ice house Earth. So most of the times, due to lack of proper understanding, most of the times I have seen there is a tendency of just getting confused with different terms. So I am going to clarify those terms also. Okay. So firstly, throughout the Earth's climate history, its climate has fluctuated between two primary states. So one is greenhouse Earth, another is ice house Earth. Both climates most of the time states persist for millions of years. Okay. So this ice house and greenhouse are separate entity, and that should not be confused with glacial and interglacial periods. These glacial and interglacial periods occur alternative way, phase wise, within ice house period. Okay, and they tend to last less than a million years. Whereas you see this geological time scale, this blue colors periods indicating global ice house periods. There are total 5 ice house so far. Okay, and greenhouse means what? Greenhouse means the time when there is not at all, nowhere continental glacier will be existing. But nowadays, at present also, there are so many continental glaciers from where we are, even in India also, we are seeing different river Ganges, river Brahmaputra. They are derived from glaciers only. Greenhouse Earth is a period during which no continental glaciers exist anywhere on the planet. Additionally, the levels of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases like methane, these are high enough, and sea surface temperature will be ranging from 28 degrees Celsius in the tropics to 0 degree in polar region. So in polar region also only 0 degrees, so there will not be any ice. For ice, at least some minus temperature must be there. So during theoretically greenhouse period, Earth's climate minimum temperature will be 0 degree at the pole. So that means it is a alarming condition. But considering the overall global period, you see, we are right now in ice house Earth. Most of the times ice house which is getting warmed. Global warming, because of global warming, our ice house is moving towards greenhouse. Now, ice house and snowball earth is not same thing. You must understand the difference. Snowball earth is just like exactly opposite to greenhouse earth. In greenhouse earth, there would not be any trace of ice in case of actual greenhouse. On contrary, in snowball earth, earth will be totally freezed. It is a hypothetical condition. Earth cannot be frozen totally, but there are certain evidences, although those were not proper evidences, but indirect evidences were shown. The concept suggests that extreme glaciation events, glacial tilt, striations, globally at certain periods it was observed that main two proposed time period for snowball earth was mostly Sturtian glaciation, that is 717 to 660 million year, and Marino 1 glaciation, that is 650 to 635 million year. So during these two periods, there are several evidences of continental ice sheets throughout the all continent. So that is why first it was proposed in 1990s by scientists Paul F. Hoffman, Daniel P. Schrag, and others. So they proposed the new school of thoughts regarding snowball earth, just like opposite of greenhouse earth. So ice out earth is not the period in which total earth is frozen. As ice must be there. Greenhouse means no ice. Ice house means of course ice, but not totally covered by ice. So now if we see the total geological time scale, these were limited periods of ice house. And fortunately we are also living in ice house. So whatever we keep on shouting about global warming, okay, or greenhouse earth is natural phenomenon. Global warming, people used to claim that because of our CFC uses and uses of fossil fuel, we are accelerating our movement towards greenhouse. But as a matter of fact, if you see, out of total history of earth, maximum time periods is covered by greenhouse only. So we are nothing in, to my opinion, we are we are very limited resource. We don't have that much capability to go against nature's wish. However, okay, so whatever scientists believe, that also should be validated and that should be respected. But everybody must have their own opinion. And to my opinion, this is part of nature. And I don't think we will be able to accelerate in that way. However, whatever precautions necessary, these are to be taken care of. So this is the end of the video. Rest of the things is up to you. Whatever you think, you decide. Thank you.